Hi! Welcome back.
We have made it almost all the way through the north of Sweden, and today we are at the highest waterfall in Sweden. What was it? 93 meters.
I think so. Djupeskär vattenfall.
Yeah. So let's go!
And here we have it, Sweden's highest waterfall. We almost lost a GoPro battery.
There you have it! Sweden's tallest waterfall! Yeah! So apparently the world's oldest tree is up here.
We're trying to find it.
We are trying to find it! It's leaking. Shit. Shit.
It's not leaking, it's not just... It's... Damn it.
Jerry is going out to inspect.
I think we have accidentally plugged a drainage hole. So instead of draining the water out, it's just keeping the water in.
Because it's dripping. Can you see? Hello!
Howdy!
So, the last time you saw us, there was rain, a leak,
Which hopefully is fixed, but it's gonna rain today, so we'll see.
and today we are at the winery?
Vineyard?
Vineyard?
Vineyard.
We're gonna look at some grapes.
They're looking grape.
I don't know if it's grape in it yet.
You know if it's grapening? Right. Okay.
We didn't see any wine. And no grapes.
No grapes yet. No
grapes yet.
No grapes yet. Maybe because it's still May.
Yeah, I think so too.
Thunder. Ah. No, but the vineyard was mostly a spa resort, and the winery was being renovated. So.
Yep. Anyways,
We'll come back another time.
let's go.
It was very pretty.
Hot. I'm sweaty. Spaghetti.
Was she trying to do Eminem? We all know I'm the M&M. We all know I'm the M&M champion. I am the M&M champion. Now we are cows.
Yes.
Moo moo. That was supposed to be a cow run. You got that?
The rain is coming! You can hear the thunder. You can see the rain getting closer and closer. You hear the rain. You can hear the rain. It's coming. It's coming.
What the hell? Where's the rain at? Look at this Sudoku master. Never done Sudoku in my life. Just starting off. It's back. Posa.
Jo!
Du ska posa från början.
Nu måste ju liksom slänga in det. Kan inte få det så.